Now, officially, this isn't as good as the other suite I was in, the Panoramic Suite. But as I'm sure you'll agree, the first impression is pretty impressive. We have a separate toilet, vanity sink, big mirror, which isn't called a separate toilet, it is called the powder room. Controls for the door, same as before. Again, a table, but this one now has 4 seats around it, as in the panoramic room I only had 2. A slightly bigger sofa, a couple of armchairs, same table, same enormous television, with mirrors on either side, which are reflecting the artwork on the wall. Same mini bar, complimentary filtered water, and a kettle, and an espresso, a mini bar, fully stocked. I think this one will have to remain that way. All right, we'll go into the bedroom, and the bedroom's identical. Same huge bed, artwork again, bits by the side of the bed, iPhone for control, TV remote, and our telephone and light switches. Just in case one big telly is not enough, the room comes with 2. Same mirror, the same desk, same relaxing chair. Again, around here I've got the Bose and I've got a power socket. I'm talking of power sockets, it would tell me over here it is the same USB and main power socket. We have a view of Dubai. I'll get some better shots of that. The same dressing room. Well, I presume the same dressing room. And my luggage has been brought up. So, that's good. How's this open? Guess what? Same as before. Oh, maybe not. Another fluffy robe. Coat hangers. Safe. Again, another secure fitting safe. Hairdryer, essential. A couple of pairs of slippers. And another wardrobe. Let's go and have a quick look in the bathroom. Bathroom's a little smaller, but it's still got 2 vanity sinks, a Hermes smellies and soap, huge mirror. Huge bathtub. It's all the same, it's just in a slightly smaller bathroom. And again, the rainfall shower and adapter, and sort of wet room-esque, a bidet. Our immaculate toilet. Again, another stunning room at the Sofitel Obelisk. Yeah, I think we'll be all right in there for the night.